where does the greed of desire end? Because humans are full of shortcomings, we tend to want more, to desire more. And this greed of desire seems endless. When we earnestly wish for something and finally attain it, the gratitude we feel is only fleeting. And soon we begin to crave something else, desiring even more. It seems our greed is like a cup that can never be filled. We often fail to recognize the value of what we have while we have it. Only after losing it do we finally realize how precious it truly was. A wise person anticipates and reflects beforehand, striving always to keep a heart full of gratitude and maintaining a steady and unwavering mindset. Because once we lose what we have, realizing its value comes too late. Unfortunately, even though we already know this, it seems we live without truly understanding it with our hearts. And so we repeat the same pain and regret over and over again. We must practice letting go of our greed. We must practice emptying our hearts. And from the beginning, one by one, we must rebuild our hearts anew. While the time given to us is still greater than the time we have lived, we must begin now with a fresh heart to practice building it up again, one step at a time.